The blank page syndrome is the ultimate productivity killer. You have all these great ideas from your meetings, but you don't have the time to put it into a 10-page professional document or report. But in 2026, you never have to start from scratch again. Today, I'm showing you how to turn your messy notes into a polished document proposal in minutes using Copilot. I'm Paul Keijzers, Microsoft MVP at KbWorks. We see professionals losing hours every week just on one document formatting. This should be rolling out in January according to Microsoft for even more users. But I'm going to show you how to use it like a pro right now. We're going to take some raw notes and transform them into a board-ready document. Step 1. Stop typing, start drafting. I have these rough notes under my clipboard about a new hybrid office strategy. Instead of organizing them myself, I open the Copilot box at the top and I type, or I paste in this case, draft a project proposal for a new hybrid strategy based on these notes, and then I paste in my project notes. And when I click on enter, you will see that it's creating the headers, the bullet points, and professional structure instantly. It even fills in the gaps for the benefits and risks listed. So this is really nice. So you see it's generating. And as you can see, it will ask me if I want to keep it or not. For the demo proposal, yes, I keep it. But this is a different box than this box, because this box where I did exactly the same, you see that it's in here, but it's not yet in the document. So this new box at the top is really cool to have because it's directly inserted in your document. Step 2, refining the message. Sometimes this first draft is too formal. Then I can ask at Copilot. I will have to copy and paste it. So we are going to right click on, and we select it all, Copilot. And now we say, we paste this text, which I already had preferred. And then I can edit it. I can just send it. It will recreate the document based on that. And then you see that it automatically generates a new document or a new thing at the top of it. So it's not replacing the whole thing. I can, however, click on replace and then it would replace it. So in this case, I just regenerated. This used to take many hours, but now it's really fine. In this case, I say replace, and you see it's fully replaced. So this is really nice feature, and yeah, I like this. Then we have a step 3, and for this we want to visualize data. A report isn't complete without a timeline. So what I will do, I will click here, click on this icon. Now I can click on it and I can say prompt, create a table summarizing the rollout time from July to September 2026. It will pull the dates from my text and build the table for me. No manual clicking, no formatting headaches. So here we go. And as you can see, it's over it, but I can move it. And here you have exactly a nice table, what I asked. So this is really cool. The key to these results is the prompt. If your prompt is fake, your report will be fake. So I have to offer you something if you want to start with Copilot. I have the Copilot starting guide, and you can download it from below. You can click on the link and it will open the website where you can fill in your details and I will send it to you and you will get some news extra as well. Stop fighting with the blank page and let AI do the heavy lifting for you. If this tip helps you reclaim your Friday afternoon, hit the like button and subscribe to KbWorks. I'm Paul Keijzers. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.